So with those preliminaries out of the way, the first company that's going to present here is BroadSoft. They have a product that is focused on the business or commercial services sector. They're going to demonstrate their Xtended program that integrates voice with Web 2.0 technologies for cable subscribers. So what they are going to show is how they extend voice services into business applications such as the Salesforce.com and social networking sites like Facebook using Web 2.0 technologies. Michael Lauricella, the director of the Xtended program, is going to show us more. Michael?
Great. Thanks, David, for that introduction, and thanks for the opportunity. If you just want to stand over there. That's Mike Chernovitz. He's our director of cable sales. He's going to help me with the demo portion of this a little bit later. So first, I thought it'd be good to open up this quick background just about who is BroadSoft. So while our Xtended program is very new, we're not new, right? We've been around for 10 years. We make an application feature server, a soft switch. Effectively, it's a unified communications platform that is up and running in the networks of many operators that are here today. And we've done a good job of becoming sort of the premier feature server in the market globally, locking up about 13 of the top 25 carriers around the world. And what our platform enables operators like you to do is to deliver a complete outsourced business communication solution. So a lot of terminology that gets thrown around here: hosted PBX, unified communications, IP-centrics, whatever buzzword you happen to want to apply to it. The key point is we deliver a very robust set of features and functionality that you can host in your network and then deliver all of that directly down to your end user consumers. And it applies in both the residential and the commercial markets as well, so both SMB and the enterprise space. That's enough of a background about BroadSoft. What is new, and I think very exciting, is our BroadSoft Xtended program. And what we're doing with this is it's all about layering on a new set of APIs on top of BroadWorks. And obviously a lot of people are talking about new APIs and openness and open development, and we're no different. And what we're looking to do here with this program is to really be able to allow our service provider customers to really customize and use BroadWorks any way they would want. So we've launched this new thing called the XSI, the Extended Services Interface. It's our Web 2.0 interface. I'm not going to demo the interface because I don't really know how to demo an API. What I am going to demo is another major part of the program, which is our developers program. So we've set up an ecosystem to be able to support many innovative developers as they're looking to build third-party applications that sit on top of BroadWorks. And we're going to demo 3 or 4 of those during the presentation today. And then the third component of the initiative is the BroadSoft Extended Marketplace. So the last thing that we wanted to do was to have a bunch of innovative developers create new applications and then not let them see the light of day. And many of these applications can work in a very simplistic manner out of the box. So we've stood up a marketplace site where we can promote these applications. And it's a great place that I would encourage all of you guys to go and visit, to where you can really see all the different possibilities around what you can do with our soft switch when it's up and running in your network. So I'm going to jump back here, and we're going to jump quickly into the demo portion of things. So the first thing that I want to show is this is the developer program site. It's not rendering perfectly up there on the screen. But what this is the portal location where you can go, you can learn about the new Extended Services Interface, and you can see that tab here. We're also supporting a lot of our legacy interfaces as well. There's a complete Q&A forum, and one thing that would be interesting for you guys to check out at your leisure is if you went to developer.broadsoft.com, click on the Q&A forum, and click on the Ideas tag, there are already hundreds, or if not more, great ideas that people have had. Some of our service provider customers, some of our engineers, some prospective customers, some end users have posted ideas saying, hey, what if I could integrate my communication services with whatever, right? And that's really where we've come up with a lot of the creative ideas and things that we're going to show you here today. The next thing that we have up here is the Extended Marketplace. So when you go here, you can quickly see that, and again, the rendering, a lot of the different applications, the rating of the applications, the Q&A forum, and here's where we're promoting a lot of the applications that have already been developed. And just to look at some of those, so David mentioned in the intro, we have a developer that's done some integration with Facebook. And what he has done is he's enabled a call. Basically, it's a call processing engine, but now you could have an integrated little button on your Facebook page. I'm guessing that this isn't a huge Facebook audience, but there obviously are a lot of huge Facebook groups out there. And what you can do is you can just simply, and I can show it here quickly. I'm not going to place a call, but this is actually the kid that built the application. You can click on this app here, and what I could do is if I wanted to call Joseph, I could punch in my phone number there. I click on Call Me. It would ring my phone, and then it would call Joseph, right? And it would keep it completely anonymous. So it wouldn't expose his caller ID, so you don't want to put your phone number on your Facebook page, but you may want to enable people to reach you, and it effectively enables you to do that. And clearly, Susan needs to, or whatever her name is, needs to do something besides hit her Facebook page. The next thing that I want to show is another example of how you could integrate the call control features and functionality of BroadWorks into any type of web portal or web application. So the one thing that a lot of you guys have already done, I'm sure with your voice over broadband offerings, is you stood up portals, and they're probably not getting the traffic that you would like in terms of being able to drive people to that site to change features, to move their features and use their features, and probably not seeing the usage of the features that you might like. But what we've done here is we've now enabled integration of your call control and of your feature and functionality right into your iGoogle page, or this could be your NetVibes page, or this could be your My Yahoo page, or this could be a custom web portal that you guys provide your consumers where they get all of their news and information and content. And now if they want to simply go on to Do Not Disturb, it's the end of the day, they just click a button. If they want to set remote office, which is their ability to effectively work from home using BroadWorks, they click a button. And then also over here, I've got all my call history. So let's say I missed a call, I was out of the office, or maybe I'm traveling and somebody called the home phone, and now I can see that someone called. And what I could do here is I could just click a button, it would alert my home phone, and then it would dial out to the person that had tried to contact me. So again, all integrated into your iGoogle page. And if we can put the Elmo up over here, and I'm going to have to turn my iPhone back on. Since it's plugged into iGoogle, iGoogle renders very well on the iPhone, so now I have the same control and functionality right from my iPhone. Again, just using the iGoogle interface. So very powerful, very simple type of integration. The next thing that I want to show quickly is the Salesforce.com integration. So Mike, if you could just fire in a call to my BroadWorks number, you're going to see that I'm currently, in this scenario, let's say I'm not at my desk, I'm kind of walking down the hallway in the office. My desk phone is ringing, and then also my mobile phone, AT&T Willing, is going to ring as well. And now you can see I've got complete control over this call. So if I wanted to, I could put Mike on hold. Or actually, I'm skipping out of order on my demo. So Mike calls in. It's an important call. I take it on my mobile, so I didn't miss that call. And that's an inherent capability of BroadWorks, of the fixed mobile convergence capabilities. So I took the call on my mobile, and we're talking here. And now what I can do is, let's say I walk back to my desk phone. I can just pick up here, press one button, and now that call has been moved to my desk phone here. So I still got call control from here. I can click on any, I can continue to surf around. I can also take notes during the call, right? So whatever I want to type here in regards to what Mike and I are talking about, I can do that. Again, I can do hold, transfer, all from within the Salesforce browser. I've got complete control over my BroadWorks phone system. And then furthermore, if I wanted to, what I'd have the ability to do, and here's where it is promoted on the marketplace, there are a lot of third-party applications that are helping to expose some of our capabilities and functionality. It's an interesting new app, still a little bit of a working process. But what it would enable me to do is I could press one button on my BlackBerry here, and let's say for whatever reason Mike and I are on the call, and I want to leave the office and go out for whatever reason, or I've got another meeting I need to walk down the hall, but I don't want to disconnect. Press one button here, we continue to talk, the call moves here, and we can get up and go. So you hear a lot of FMC solutions that are very complex, but this is a very simple one and easy and out of the box. So that's really everything that I wanted to present today. I'd like to thank you guys for the opportunity, and I'd like to encourage you guys to swing by our booth if you want to see some of this stuff firsthand. The BroadSoft booth in conjunction with Astra and Acme Packet, we're in the back left-hand corner when you come into the showcase area. So thank you very much.